Hi everyone, my name is Jacob. I teach over at Bread and Yoga Tuesday evenings, Saturday nights, and if you're in the Bronx, you can catch me at our new pop-up Friday mornings at 9:30. And today, I'm going to be showing you Ekapada Galavasana, which is a super fun arm balancing posture. We're going to flow into it, and I hope that you find this fun. So, we're going to start this posture from a downward facing dog. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Really helpful here if you make sure that your arms are spread nice and wide. Fingers spread nice and wide as well, gripping the mat almost as if you were a little yogi tree frog, using your finger pads to squeeze the mat, biceps toward the front of your mat, maybe a nice bend in your knees to stick your seat out and back to give your spine that nice hammock effect, melting toward the floor. We're going to go ahead and inhale our right leg up and back, squaring those hips to the front of the mat, toes pointing down. On an exhale, we're going to gather that knee in toward our chest, coming forward into a high lunge, arms up toward the sky. Something I like to do is put a nice bend in that back knee to allow the tailbone to dip forward, almost imagining you could gather your low ribs and hip points together with two little rubber bands. That's going to create some nice length in your low spine. We're going to inhale to pitch our way forward, and as we exhale, we're going to go ahead and drag that left knee in toward our chest. Externally rotate that left femur, and then come into a little figure four. I like to have my hands at heart center, but wherever you like is fine. Once again, imagining that you could gather those low ribs and hip points so I'm not sticking my tush all the way out. Nice little tuck of the tail. And then from here you can play. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is stick my seat out and back now to allow my flat spine to hinge forward. And if you want to play with hands to heart center, maybe you want to go ahead and reach fingertips toward the floor. And if you have that extra space, you can also use blocks. We're going to work hands to the floor, once again spreading them nice and wide like we're little yogic tree frogs. Here I'm going to go ahead and make sure that my floating foot, this left foot right here, is gripping the outside of my opposite tricep. And I'm going to come up onto the toe of that standing leg. Here it's super important to squeeze elbows in toward the midline, pitching our weight forward just as we do as we come up into our crow. And then maybe I point my toe. Maybe I put the foot toe back down. Maybe I point the toe and I press forward with that left shin so much that I float. Sending my heart forward, my heel out and back, shoulder blades down the spine, nice tuck of the chin. And then from here, I can drop that back foot, slide that front shin down to the floor, and I can come to rest in Ekapada Rajakapotasana, or my half pigeon. And then from here you can breathe and breathe and breathe and breathe. And when you're done, you can step yourself out, travel on through a flow, and end up right back where you started in downward facing dog. Namaste.